Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harmony and this is my YouTube channel if you don't already know. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this no makeup look. I'm not wearing any foundation. You will see what I'm wearing and how I get this look. But yeah, this is my quick, simple when I need to go somewhere and I don't have time to do foundation and all that and I want to just look glowy and dewy and pretty and I want to feel pretty, but I don't really feel pretty. This is how I do my makeup. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this no makeup look, then just keep watching. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my no makeup look, and basically that is not wearing any foundation, wearing as little amount of product on your face as possible without looking crazy. So I'm just gonna jump right in and show you guys. So I already primed my face with oil, and I use this acne stuff that I'm using because I've been breaking out a lot because I'm an idiot and I've been sleeping with my makeup on a lot because I'm lazy. So yeah, if you don't want to break out, make sure you wash your face at night and put on your stuff, because if not, you're gonna be looking like this with breakouts all over. So just ignore that. So I already primed my face, already did all that. I'm just going to spray my face with this, and this is the NYX First Based Primer, and it's just a priming spray. And I'm going, so just going to let that sink into my skin. For my base, my foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is my favorite concealer. If you follow me, watch my videos, you know that. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit under my eyes, because that's where my dark circles are. And then I'm also going to put basically all the spots that you normally apply concealer. And then I'm also going to apply some right here because I get a little red right there. And then also just a little bit on my cheeks, because like I said, I've been breaking out, so you know, we gotta cover it. And then just a tiny bit on my forehead. And I already did my eyebrows off camera because I feel like eyebrows are kind of a personal thing. Like, everyone does their eyebrows differently, so if you don't want to do your eyebrows like me, you don't have to. This is just the face, so no eyebrows. So I'm just going to take my Real Techniques beauty sponge and I'm just going to blend all of this in. And you want to make sure that you really blend this into your skin, because you want it to look like skin, because this is what we're going for. No makeup, get it? You know, it's not supposed to look like you're wearing makeup, but you are. That's the power of makeup. I saw a meme and it was like a picture of a girl, and she wasn't wearing like a cut crease like eyeliner or anything, and she was probably wearing like this, and the caption was like, why can't more girls be like this and not wear makeup, or something like that. And the response was like, that girl is wearing concealer, brows, mascara, lashes, highlight, blush. It's funny. Anyway, so now that my base is done, you can kind of see that that just gave me like an all-around more even skin tone than before. So now what I'm gonna do, just because I feel like I need to, I'm just gonna go back in with my concealer and just kind of spot conceal the spots on my face that I feel need a little bit of extra coverage. You don't have to do this, but if you're extra like me, then you can do it. And I like using a beauty blender or a beauty sponge for this technique, just because I feel like it's more natural and it leaves a more radiant, dewy look on your skin than if you were to use a brush, which I normally use for my foundation when I want full coverage. Now that I have all of that, I'm going to set my face. and since I'm not wearing like any concealer under my eyes, like I'm not doing all the highlight and contour stuff, I'm just gonna set my face with my MAC MSF Natural powder, which I've definitely talked about before in my videos, just like this. I'm in the color medium golden, and I'm taking a fluffy brush. This one is from ABHxAmrezy, and I'm just using this and literally just setting my entire face. And I like this powder because it's natural powder, so it's not heavy. It's not like the MAC cover up, what is it? MAC Select cover up powder, I think it is. I don't know. They have a powder that's like heavy, and this one is like light, so that's why I like it. And then you want to make sure you really get under your eyes because you don't want it to crease, even though you didn't put a lot of concealer there. Now we have our base done, so our face looks a little bit more, you know, put together. So now I'm going to apply my lashes and my mascara, because I feel like then I can just finish up my face and then I can leave. This is what I do on days that I don't want to wear a full face of makeup, but I want to look like I didn't just roll out of bed and left my house, because that's not cute, at least for me. So I'm gonna put my lashes on right now. These are the lashes I'm using today, are the Ardell Wispies. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how I apply my lashes, check out my video on that. I will link it in the description box below. Just gonna apply a little bit of mascara. Why did I say it like that? So if you know me, I set my brows with mascara. It gives the illusion of fluffy brows, which I like. I'm using this blush, and this is MAC Harmony blush. And so it's a very light blush. It's not very noticeable. It's not very pink. It's not very orange. It's just very neutral. And I'm just going to apply this to my cheeks. And you can see it just gives like a natural flush, as opposed to this side doesn't really have anything. So and you can definitely leave it like that, or you can add a little bit of bronzer, so whatever you feel comfortable with. I think that this looks fine. Like, I would definitely leave the house like this, but I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of bronzer to the hollows of my cheeks just because I'm extra. And I'm using this e.l.f. brush. It's the e.l.f. complexion brush. I don't like this as a face brush for like face powder, because you can see that it's kind of like dense. It's like, I'm going to show you the difference. So this is the one I used for my face, and this is the one I'm using for the contour. You can see this one is like fluffy and round, and this one is not. I'm using the Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm literally not applying a lot of this because it's a natural look. So I'm just going to apply a little bit to the hollows of my cheeks. And you can see that the difference that made. It just adds a little bit more extraness. And then if you have a forehead, you can apply a little bit of this, just to kind of make your forehead look a little smaller. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this bronzer in my crease of my eye. I don't want my eyelids to look oily, and I have pretty oily eyelids, so just applying a little bit of bronzer just helps that a little bit. So now I'm gonna do my highlight. Obviously I'm using the ABHxAmrezy one because Like I said, when I find a highlight I like, I use it way too much. So sorry, but I'm gonna apply a little bit to my inner corners just to open my eyes up a little bit, and a little bit to my eyebrows. Oh, and disclaimer, you can definitely just leave this look like this. You don't need to do a highlight, but if you know me, my highlights always pop in, so I always do a highlight no matter what look I'm going for. So I'm taking my Morphe M510. Also, I wanted to share with you guys, this is another highlight brush that I often use, and this is the Morphe G23. And I tried to use it with this highlight and I did not like it. This brush, the Morphe M510, I think works the best that I've tried so far. I'm sure the Anastasia one works too because that's what it's meant for, but yeah, this brush is the shit with this highlight. So I'm just going to apply some to the tip of my nose like I always do, the bridge of my nose, and then to my cheekbones. And like I said, you don't need to do this because I'm extra, so if you're not extra, then you don't need to be extra like me. And then the last thing is your lips. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing with my lips. You can obviously leave it like this. This is just chapstick that I put on earlier. But since I am going to be taking pictures of my makeup, I'm going to put some lipstick on. And I'm going to be using MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. And this is just a nude. And I've been using this for a few years. I love this color. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of this. I feel like no one uses lipsticks anymore because of liquid lipsticks, but lipsticks are just so much easier. So you can leave it like that, but I'm just going to add a little tiny bit of Dose of Color sand to the center of my lips. Like that. And you can see this one is really nude. And then I'm just going to blot it. This is the Absolute New York Dewy setting spray, and you can use any setting spray you'd like. And that's it. That completes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something, and I hope you guys give it a try. I will definitely list all the products that I used in the description bar down below. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, anything, leave it in the comments down below. And also, make sure to smash this video with a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat to keep up with my daily life and to also see when I upload videos and all that good stuff. Also, if you subscribe, make sure to hit the little bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments or concerns or whatever, comment down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.